Hi friends, this is the packet I am using to make basundi. This is the packet. I have opened it and I am pouring into this. I will stir it till it becomes thick. I will going on stirring it. So watch till the end, friends. What sweets would you like me to make? Let me know in the description below. This is the packet which I have kept here. See, till it becomes thickened, I will go on stirring it. Constantly I will be stirring it. So watch till the end, friends. Hope you like my video, and this time I've used voiceover, so hope you like that and let me know about it. I've poured the elaichi in this and some kaju powder or my nuts powder I have added in this, and then later on over it also I will be adding it, the whole kaju dry fruits. Friends, hope you like it. No sugar is added, nothing, because everything was there in that, so I did not add anything, only the dry powder of the dry fruits, and here it is ready. Thank you, friends.